Okay, so this is part 2 here. Now the oil derrick comes and gets put in place. Well, of course it starts drilling down here to get to the oil. Now as that drill is entering in, you can see that it cracks the surface of, or the surface of the bottom of the ocean before it hits the oil. Now, an oil field, let me see, I'm going to find where I'm at. There we are. An oil field is generally, we're going to cut this because this has nothing to do with it, a big, we'll call it a big vat of oil here. Now, normally, you have oil down here, and you have gas here. So when it comes in, it kind of has to go down into the oil. What they usually do is drop it down as far as they can, so it sucks the oil out of the whatever. But this gas here, because of these cracks, start releasing gas up into the water. Now this, let's go back over here. This produces, let's say it starts producing a gas bubble. Okay, and let's say we have another school of fish here swimming. They hit the gas bubble and they die. Okay, now at the top of the water we have a more oxygenated area closer to the surface. Well, once this gas bubble reaches this area, let's say that it releases, the gas is stranded natural gas, methane, butane, all different kinds of stuff. Anyways, the methane and the natural gas in the water, no matter where it is going to create a poison for the fish. So it's going to kill schools of fish as they swim through it. But here, what will happen is that gas will interact with the water, let's say the methane, and what will happen is that will interact with the oxygen, which would then give off CO2 and water vapor. Okay, now that will leave an area here of non-oxygenated water. So the fish swimming through here are going to drown. There's no air. They're going to be sucking in water with very little to no oxygen in it, and of course they're going to drown, creating mass die-offs of fish, whales, any kind of sea life. Okay, next segment I'll go over what happens in the air.